an afternoon in the month of June, a wistful cat sat crying, for her owners were not good to her, a cousin of the lion. On her plate was glued some dried up food she cared not to examine, and as she wept she sat and dreamt of the land of milk and salmon. Oh, the fresh catfish in the china dish, where the cream flows from a fountain, on the high plateaus where the catnip grows, out in the Catskill Mountains.
Out in the Catskill Mountains, the land of the big feed trough, the couches are all comfortable and no one kicks you off. The dogs are taught to honor cats as beautiful and holy, and the birds are found right on the ground, and the mice run very slowly.
Oh, the fresh catfish in the china dish, where the cream flows from a fountain, on the high plateaus where the catnip grows, out in the Catskill Mountains. Out in the Catskill Mountains, fresh tuna just appears, and people beg you for the chance to scratch behind your ears.
A cat can lie flat on its back and never be ambitious,
where the grass is sweet beneath your feet,
and the houseplants are delicious.
Oh, the fresh catfish in the china dish, where the cream flows from a fountain, on the high plateaus where the catnip grows, out in the Catskill Mountains.
Out in the Catskill Mountains, out in